Yeah, I don't want to fall. I need to get out of here alive with this footage. Coming into the trail now. I can hear the falls down just ahead. Not sure. Let me take this way over here. Falls are getting louder. Beautiful forest in here. Moss all over the trees and all over the ground. This is a minor hike compared to the last few places I've been to. I've only been going here for a little over a minute now, and I think I'm just about there. I can hear the noise getting louder. Sawmill Creek Falls. I have no idea what to expect. I was just, oh, looks like a gorge or something down in there. It's a long way down. Let's see if we can get you guys a view. Oh, wow. Wow. I don't think I'm climbing down here. A little confusing here. The trails kind of branch. It looks like once you get down, you can't get anywhere but because there's some cliff walls. Okay. This is the upper part right here. And we'll go down and take a peek. See what's down here. Slippery. Some roots that are like stairs. And here we are. So many gorgeous spots in this province. My goodness, every time I come into one of these places, just can't believe how beautiful it is. That's the upper part of the falls. We're gonna climb back up, see what we can see. The other lower part, apparently it's a better cascade, more of a drop, I'm told. So we'll go check it out. See if we can find a way. Red ribbons on the trees, beaten path. We're in Hopewell Hill, which is not too far from Hopewell Rock. Fundy, Albert, Riverside, Albert, excuse me, is just a few kilometers away. Bit of a road in here, but bumpy. But I mean, my daughter's friend drove his little sedan in here and he got in here no problem. So beautiful ravine down here. Apparently access down in here is harder than it's supposed to be. A quick little easy way to get in. No, level easy. This is not an easy trail. This is difficulty extreme. You have to hang on to trees to get down. This trail is so treacherous through here. So there's a couple of small cascades, but I need both hands to hang on to trees. It's extremely steep, and yeah, I don't want to fall. I need to get out of here alive with this footage. I just want to get a little bit more up here before I do venture down, but this is an extreme place here. We're gonna give her a go. Here we go down. This is steep. Very, very steep. I didn't change my shoes when I got out of the car. I was supposed to put on my better runners with better grip. I'm only wearing like a pair of Crocs, but I'll be okay. It's kind of like steps here. Woohoo! This is crazy. Here. My footing here. Beautiful little spot though. Nothing extreme, just a set of beautiful little cascades. We're gonna get right down in there, see what we can see. And I think we're pretty safe. We have one last little scurry. Oh, Won't speak too soon. There we go. Oh. Oh. This is beautiful down in here. It's a big rock face here. I wouldn't recommend jumping from up there down into here. That's not deep enough. But pretty little spot. Obviously perfect place to come and cool off. It's a hot day. It was up to 33 in Moncton. Once I got up close to Fundy, the temp dropped quite a bit, as everybody knows. That's the way it is up here. But once we got up into the forest and the ravine, the temperature spiked back up. I'm sweating pretty good. I almost want to jump in here. Probably will. Almost feels like Crooked Creek looking down into the ravine. Very similar. It's a different type of forest here though. It's more evergreen. A lot of black spruce. You can smell it. You can smell all the sap. Beautiful. It's the ending of it there. It's nothing spectacular. It's still a beautiful place. Come and take a dip if you feel like climbing down, hanging on to roots and trees and stumps and rocks, and crystal clear water. Temperature's a little cooler than some places, but not extremely cold like others as well. A lot of these streams are fed by natural springs or mountain seeps. This one is warmer than some of the most extreme, warmer than some of the Trout Creek Falls and Waterford is freezing cold. This is somewhere in between. Heading back up to the car. Beautiful spot. The most extreme part of the climb is right at the very end. Again, Google says it's a nice leisurely. Maybe I'm in the wrong spot. I don't know. This is Sawmill Creek Falls as per Google Maps. Also Little River Falls or something. I'll have to double check that. I'll put some text on the screen with the correct term. But making my way back out. I lost the trail, but I see it off to my left, but this is nice and clear nonetheless. It's only about it's only about 100 yards from the top of the ravine up this slope to the car park area. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. We made it back to the car. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good one.